Welcome to our channel. If you want to turn off the screenshot preview feature on YouTube to avoid accidental captures while watching videos, follow these quick steps. Step 1. Open the YouTube app on your mobile device and ensure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Note that YouTube's screenshot preview is a system-level feature controlled by your device, not by YouTube settings directly. Step 3. On Android devices, when you take a screenshot, a preview appears in the bottom corner. To minimize this, go to your phone's Settings. Step 4. Navigate to Display or Notification settings, depending on your Android version. Step 5. Look for screenshot options or smart suggestions and disable any preview-related features. Step 6. On iPhone, screenshot previews are part of iOS and cannot be completely disabled, but you can swipe them away immediately after capturing. Step 7. To speed up dismissal, tap the screenshot preview and select Done or Delete to remove it quickly from your screen. Step 8. For a cleaner experience, avoid taking screenshots frequently or use screen recording instead to capture content without preview interruptions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.